Hello everyone, and thank you for joining me. It's Root Beer here, and I'm going to be starting to look at another University of Waterloo math contest this week. This time it's going to be the Fermat paper, so this is a grade 11 paper, and we'll be looking at the year 2019 together. If you'd like a copy of this contest, you can click the very first link in the description and you can get a copy for yourself. And that's true for all the videos for this paper, not just the first one. So just taking a quick look here, as with all the Fermat papers, Cayley papers, Pascal's, and Gauss's, you've got a 1 hour time limit, and calculators are allowed. Now these are probably the two most important things. When you're writing a contest, you need to know how much time have I got. That way you can say, all right, I want to do this many questions in this amount of time, and really sort of budget things out. And it's always good to know whether or not you're allowed a calculator because, well, if not, you're going to have to be making your calculations very carefully. You can't just sort of round and guess and check your way to answers in some situations. You'll need well thought out calculations. But calculators are absolutely allowed here, so feel free to use them. Other than that, it's 25 questions. They're all multiple choice. As you can see here, we've got 5 given answers for every single question. Only one of them's right. Scoring is something to take a look at, especially leaving a question blank gives you 2 marks for free, so that's kind of nice. I'm just going to be going through the contest one question at a time. So we'll start with question number 1 in this video, and then in the next one, question 2, and so on. So if you want to, if you printed it out, you tried the paper for yourself, and you want to jump straight to question 25, you go for it. I'll see you there. But right now, let's take a look at question number 1. So to start off, what is the remainder when 14 is divided by 5? Okay. So this is one that you could easily use your calculator for if you wanted to. You just do 14 divided by 5, and you'll get 2.8, I believe. I could actually grab my calculator to find out, but it doesn't really matter. To find the remainder, once you do that, you get rid of the integer part, and then multiply by 5 again. You'll see the remainder will be the end result of that calculation. It'll be 4. Other things you could do, well, you could say, all right, what is a remainder? Well, the remainder is what you get when you take as many 5s out of 14 as you can. Well, 2 5s go into 14. 3 5s don't. That would be 15. So 14 is 2 5s, 10, plus what? 4. And that's your remainder. There's probably a couple other ways you could think to go about doing this. But either way, we get our answer here at the end. It's going to be E. So we would bubble that in for our very first question, and then we've earned ourselves 5 marks, according to the marking scheme. All right, isn't that just wonderful? So if you'd like, I'll see you in the next video for question number 2. Until then, take care.